dōTERRA's respiratory blend, Breathe, is a combination of 7 essential oils including peppermint, eucalyptus, cardamom, melaleuca, ravensara, laurel leaf, and lemon. On their own, each of these oils support a healthy respiratory system and ward off seasonal threats. Together, they create a powerhouse oil that can be used to support your respiratory system all year long. Breathe essential oil can be experienced aromatically or topically. This blend is great to diffuse at night or during the change of seasons to maintain easy breathing. One of my favorite ways to use Breathe is to put a couple drops on my hands, rub them together, and cup them over my nose and mouth and take several deep breaths. I can immediately sense a feeling of open airways. Be careful as you put your hands up to your face. Essential oils are very potent, so avoid contact with your eyes. If you do accidentally get some oil in your eyes, a natural reaction is to flush it with water. Instead, dilute it with fractionated coconut, vegetable, or olive oil to help relieve the discomfort quickly. The Breathe Vapor Stick is another great way to enjoy the benefits of this blend. This can be applied to your chest to ease respiratory discomfort. Just like its name, it's easy to remember how to use this oil.